Kumakain ka ba ng ampalaya? Watch this. Ang ampalaya, also known as bitter gourd or bitter melon, is actually a fruit. Hindi po ito gulay. Isa itong superfood dahil sa taglay nitong vitamins and minerals. Marami ang hindi kumakain ito dahil sa kanyang mapait na lasa. It is bitter, but it's beautiful for your body. Ang 100 grams ng ampalaya will only give you 20 calories, with about 4 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of protein, and almost no fat. Super light, yet super rich in nutrients. Meron itong vitamin C to boost your immunity and collagen production. Vitamin A for your eye health. Folate para sa cell repair and hormonal balance. It also has potassium, magnesium, and iron for heart and muscle function. And here's where it gets interesting. Ang ampalaya has carotene, vicin, and polypeptide P. Ito ay mga plant compounds that act like insulin. Kaya naman ang ampalaya can help lower your blood sugar levels and also improve your insulin sensitivity. Good ito para sa mga pasyenteng may pre-diabetes at type 2 diabetes. Sagana rin ito sa antioxidants katulad ng flavonoids at phenolic acids, which can help reduce inflammation, protect your liver, and even support healthy skin. Best ways to eat it? Ginisang ampalaya with egg. Simple, budget-friendly, at maraming proteins. You can also add thin slices sa inyong sinigang o tinola for that gentle bitter kick. Maaari din itong inumin as ampalaya tea. Great for balancing blood sugar after meals. You can also take it in capsule form for convenience. Kung ayaw mo ng mapait na lasa nito, maaring ibabad ng ampalaya in salted water for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Ang ampalaya is bitter on the tongue but sweet on your health. Kung hindi ka kumakain nito, this is your sign to give ampalaya another chance. Tandaan, better habits, better you. Mag-ingat po kayo parati!